Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create a clean, professional t-shirt design using Canva. This is the full 2026 walkthrough, and yeah, it's for beginner friendly. So let's jump in. First, we're starting with a blank canvas sized for printing. In Canva, click on Custom Size and type in 4500 by 5400 pixels. That's the standard size for print-on-demand shirts. Don't worry if that sounds technical. Canva handles the heavy lifting. Next, add your main text. You can hit the text menu and drop in a big headline. Keep the phrase short, like 3 or 4 words, clean, bold, easy to read. I mean, you want people to actually see it from a distance. Now pick a strong font. Bold fonts look great on shirts. Try something like Anton, League Spartan, or any thick display style. And yeah, avoid thin fonts because they don't print well. After that, add a graphic to match your idea. Open the Elements tab and search for something simple, maybe a symbol, shape, or little illustration. Just make sure the style matches your text so the whole design feels cohesive. Take a moment to balance everything. Center your text, resize your graphics, keep enough spacing so nothing feels cramped. Think of it like giving your design room to breathe. Most t-shirt designs look best in either plain white or plain black ink, so switch your text and graphics to one solid color. This keeps printing cheap and super clean. Before exporting, make sure the background is completely transparent. Just click the blank background and hit delete. If you see the checkerboard pattern, you're good. Finally, download your design as a PNG file with transparent background. This is what print-on-demand sites expect. Once you save it, yeah, you're ready to upload it anywhere, and that's pretty much it. You've got a clean, print-ready t-shirt design made entirely in Canva. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. All right, I'll see you in the next one.